Welcome! Today we're going to put together these fun 4th of July party glasses. They're really simple. There's only a few pieces. The pieces you should have cut should be 2 sidearms, the main body of the glasses, this little accent piece for the top, and then 2 stars to go around the eyes. We're going to start by putting this out of the way and the crown piece out of the way. We're going to start with the main body and the 2 accent pieces here. I'm using just a regular paper glue. I'll put a link in the comments. And we're going to start by just putting thin line around the back. And then with this flat, we're just going to line that up like that. Give it a nice press. For the other side, and thin line of glue. Give it a press down. Now that we have the front on, we're going to flip this over, and we're going to take this crown piece. This here will line up with the top of the glasses, except we're going to put it on like this. So on the front, we want it so that on the front, that is hidden behind like that. We're going to flip them upside down. We're going to put the glue on the front of the crown piece, just like that. And then we're going to line it up the edge. You can see I'm lining up these stars, tops of the stars. Give it a press down. On the front, it's going to look like that. Now we just need to put the side arms on. You should have a left and a right. Each side we're going to fold on both of these lines, just like that. And then, really easy, we're just going to take a little bit of glue and line it up the edge with that first row of folds, just like that. Then we're going to do the other side. And there you go. You have a really easy, fun pair of glasses for your 4th of July party. Great for photo booths or just for looking cool.